Hi guys, let's do this bronzy smoky glam eye with me. So first off, I'm just going to miss some of that P. Louise base. Look at this little miniature, how cute is it? Then we are using the Larmani, I think it's Larmani, eyeshadow sticks. I got these sent to me from TikTok shop and they are absolutely incredible, guys. Honestly, I didn't think these were going to be up to much, but they are absolutely fantastic and I absolutely love them. I've used these a few times now and I wanted to create a look using them specifically, so this is what we're doing today. And I'm just setting this with some brown eyeshadow from the Doll Beauty palette. And I do spend a little bit longer blending this in, guys. I've just sped it up so it's not too long for you guys. But I'm going in with these shades. This one is 02 and 04. Shimmery these are, they're so nice. They're stunning. So I just wanted to change this into a spotlight eye. So I'm just putting these shimmers in the middle, just to give it that kind of glistening effect. Just going in with a little bit of mascara. Then we are taking these stunning lashes by Lily White Cosmetics, and these are in the style Paris. Then I'm just going to quickly finish off my face base for you guys. Just going in with this foundation. And I'm going to do a little bit of contouring and sculpting a little bit here with the Fine Concealer in shade 5. And I'm going to go in with the blush in the shade, I think it's Creme Carve or something like that. Anyway, it was a wee bit warm tone, so I did go back in with that eyeshadow stick and I just went over some of the contouring just to kind of tone it down a little bit, because this shade was a little bit on the warm side. Now I'm just blending all that in with a Real Techniques brush. Sorry guys, can't really speak today. Then we're just going in with, I think it's Speechless by P. Louise lip liner. And I'm going in with You're Beautiful lipstick by Makeup Revolution. And I'm going in with the gold highlighter from Doll Beauty. Then we're taking the Lily White Cosmetics blush and we're just applying some of that. Then I'm just going to set it all with this Wee Cherie setting spray. This stuff's fantastic, guys. You have to try it if you haven't. And as always, guys, I had to top it off with a gloss because I just always do it. Hope you love the look, guys. Stay tuned for more.